Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a lawnmower by Wild Badger Power. This one is allowed on Amazon, so you're very welcome to go check it out. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box. And wow, this is a wireless grass cutter machine. So this is a lawnmower, works on two very strong batteries, and it works amazing. This is a 21-inch cutting range self-propelled lawnmower. This one is 4-in-1. And well guys, can't wait to get started with the detailed review. Well, let's get there. So guys, this is a lawnmower by Wild Badger Power. This one is available on Amazon, so you're very welcome to check out all of the links and all the information that I'm gonna leave you down below in the description box to this video of mine. Well, now let's get to the product itself. So this is a self-propelled lawnmower which is offering 7 cutting heights. It works on a powerful brushless motor. The speed of the motor goes up to 3300 of RPM. That type of a motor providing a premium cutting experience and ability, as well as this brushless motor is improving the working efficiency, of course. It comes with two 40V batteries, which is providing up to 88 minutes of a runtime. So you can work on this even on the large lawns. It works on one battery at a time, but it comes with one charger and 2 batteries. And while you are using one battery to mow your grass, you are charging the second battery, and then you can exchange between them. And that's the idea of why is it coming with 2 batteries. It's for your convenience and for your comfort, so there will never be a situation when you're out of a battery, and it's charging really fast. It works on a self-propelled type of technology, which is time-saving and labor-saving as well. So it built in that type of a design of the self-propelled lawnmower, which can provide an assistant during pushing, as well as it's making the pushing process easier for the user with way less fatigue, and it's boosting the efficiency of the grass cutting just in general. This one is extra easy to assemble. You just simply take it out of the box, attach the handle, and that's it. You are ready to go. Just minimal, the very bare minimum of any type of a setup steps. It's also ultra quiet. You can only hear the whirring of the blade. That's it. And to me, that's one of the most important features of this lawnmower, because obviously, who loves the lawnmower noise? No one. It's annoying. It's waking up, napping babies or napping people. It's annoying to everyone, to you, to your family, to your household, and to your neighbors especially. I personally hate lawnmowers noise. It's the most annoying noise out there. So this one has no type of a noise. It's quiet. So it's devoid of any type of intrusive motor noise. This lawnmower is 4-in-1. So it's mulching, bagging, side discharge, and rear discharge ability, as well as it supports the rear wheel drive. So it drives strong power for a great traction with flat or inclined slope conditions. So if your yard is uneven, if your lawn is uneven, this is gonna be the perfect lawnmower for you. It also supports a supercharging time, so it only takes up to 60 minutes to fully charge the battery once. It's offering 7 cutting height adjustments, so you can adjust the cutting height directly, all between 1.18 inches and between 3.55 inches. So you are welcome to choose any one of the 7 cutting heights according to your personal preference, or, obviously according to the season as well. It is also collecting and mowing the grass at the same time. It comes with a 15.8 gallon large collection bag. So for all of my previous lawnmowers reviews, everyone, I'm telling you, I've got so many comments asking the same question. Hey, is this robot collecting the grass, or it's just mowing? And I always say, no, it's just mowing. It's not collecting. And I honestly never saw a mower before this one that will also collect the grass. I knew there exists. I always knew about it. I always heard about it, and people kept on telling me, hey, why all these lawnmowers you're reviewing, none of them is collecting the grass? And here is the answer. Yes, there are mowers out there that are collecting the grass at the same time as they are mowing your grass. For an example, this one, well, so it's collecting and mowing, comes with a large collection bag, as I said, of 15.8 gallons, and so it can hold lots of waste at once. It saves the labor and reducing the waste disposal costs, as well as you're getting a pristine, perfectly mowed lawn without all the cutted grass stayed on your lawn. That's a great advantage for sure. It's also a very quickly folding, so it's easy to store this one. This lawnmower can be quickly folded and stored within 5 seconds only, which is convenient for storage and space saving. Now guys, let's talk about the cordless design. So this one is is battery operated, and that's definitely a huge advantage for me. So battery operated way better than gas operated. Well, gas, it's such like, previous century, not even a decade, but century. No one is using gas anymore. Everyone's using power, like battery power. So I absolutely love the cordless design. There is no need in any type of a cord, as well as no need in messing up with a gas type of a lawnmower. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments to this video of mine. Be so very sure to check out this lawnmower. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, and any other ways of saving your money. So be so very sure to check out the description box for any possible type of information. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.